Hello all. Mahalabia is a Middle Eastern style easy milk pudding scented with rose water and topped with nuts, usually pistachio, almonds, or cardamom. It is served at Turkish Jewish weddings to symbolize the sweet life that lies ahead. The ingredients required are 600 ml of milk, of which we use 100 ml for dissolving the corn flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of rose water, and some nuts for topping. I have taken pistachio and almonds here. Into a saucepan, add 500 ml of milk and sugar and heat it. Pour 100 ml of the milk to the corn flour and stir it well until the flour dissolves completely to get a lump-free smooth mixture. When the milk and sugar is about to boil, add the cornstarch to it. Stir well until the milk mixture gets thickened. Switch off the heat and add rose water and keep stirring. Cool them down to room temperature and transfer this to the serving cups. Keep for refrigeration for 2 to 3 hours. Now our pudding is taken out, we add the powdered nuts as topping. They are so tasty and creamy, and the flavor of rose water and the nuts are so tempting. It's one of the pudding that is very easy to make and yet very fulfilling. I hope you like this recipe and will try it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming recipes. Bye.